Oh, oh, oh.
Watch out, everyone! Fun's coming through! Who's up for Caraballo Snackabilities Chicken Dunks? Me! Oh, oh! Right this way for Cracker Stackers with ham and cheese plus chocolate chip cookies. Woohoo! Me. We love Cracker Stackers and we love cookies. Or try out Caraballo Snackabilities Miniature Pizza. Wow, this is cool! Yay! Good thing they have lots of Caraballo Snackabilities at the Caraballo Supermarket. Caraballo Snackabilities, available now in the Caraballo Supermarket.
You thought lunch was fun? Try out the desserts! Introducing Caraballo Snackabilities Brookie Pie and Cookie Pie! Two sweet and small pies you would like to try. First, let's try the Brookie Pie with the icing and chocolate chips. Oops! Sorry, Shirley. Tastes like Mississippi mud pie.
Now let's try the cookie pie next.
Oh dear.